Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and welcome back to, I don't know which part is this, guys, but another part of my pumpkin natural healthy strongback juice or smoothie. All right, let's get into this video. Now my peeps, I'm gonna make some sea moss bladderwrack pumpkin punch or smoothie. All right, and I got this pumpkin puree from Amazon, but you can go ahead and just get some pumpkin and boil it. All right, I'm not gonna use all of it, okay guys, because this is a lot. If you're making for a big family, go ahead. So I'm gonna put few tablespoons. So we're going with 4 tablespoons, so I'm gonna use basically half can. All right, you can go ahead and use the fresh pumpkin. All right guys, over here I'm gonna make another recipe right there, so don't watch no face. So half can, and then I'm gonna put a tablespoon of my sea moss and bladderwrack. I'm also gonna put like a teaspoon of this pumpkin seed mix. Pumpkin seed is a superfood, okay guys, research it. Research it guys, pumpkin seed is a superfood, and I will leave a link for that. This one is vegan raw, okay, nothing added. And I'm gonna put about 1 finger of ripe banana frozen. All right, I'm gonna put about half teaspoon vanilla, not much, just a tip. A little bit of nutmeg. You can also call this pumpkin spice smoothie too guys, because I'm adding spice to it too. And you can use pumpkin and leave out cinnamon, because cinnamon add flavor to it. All right, so I'm going to put another like 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, just a smidge. Okay, I'm not going to put no alcohol in this one today. All right, I'm going to go in with some soy. I'm gonna put like a cup or cup and a half. That will do. And the only thing I'm gonna add for it to make it sweet, I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons of honey. 1, 2. I'm just gonna put few cubes of ice, and that's it. We're gonna blend away. All right, we're gonna blend away. And we're gonna serve up some. That's it. Let me show you how thick and nice this is, guys. Look at that. Super healthy. Oh boy, oh boy. And we're gonna pour some. Look at that goodness. And I'm gonna pour the rest in here because I have some more left. Not quite full, but that's okay. I can put another cube of ice. And that's it. That's what I'm serving up. I'm just gonna put the lid on this one. And I'm just gonna stick this right here. All right my peeps, and that's it. Super refreshing, super healthy, a meal replacement by itself. All right my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.